Guess what?
Hey, Grandma didn't see
You'll be coming to Australia, mommy.
Yeah.
Yes, the visa is granted.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
Wagwan.
So guys, there you go. Say hi, Island.
Hi.
There's Island, guys. There he is. Okay, guys. So the thing about this story today is, well, it's not really a story. It's real life.
Yeah.
The cyclone that was supposed to come and hit us is no longer a cyclone. It is now the ex-tropical cyclone.
Yeah,
So just letting you know we're fine, we're good, nothing happened, thank God. We had a tree lopper guy come yesterday and chop down our tree at the front of the house because of safety and so forth. But that's that story. But we have something really, really exciting we want to share with you guys, and I'm going to let Babe do the rest.
Yeah, so from you see the title and you see the thumbnail, you definitely not even have to guess much, but just to explain all of this. So first we're gonna take you back to a video of when my mom got her Australian visa. Yes man, exactly right. And this has been something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and give my mom this opportunity, to travel for the first time. And this was supposed to even happen from last year, to be honest, but unfortunately that never happened. And I mean, like, we can't get to go to Jamaica right now, so for me this is even, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like I'm bringing Jamaica come to Australia in a sense, by bringing my mom here, and reconnect. And because it's been like 3.5 years I've been living in Australia now, and I haven't seen her since. So just to reconnect with my mom and also see her grandkids and my wife and meet my wife's side of the family and give her this whole experience.
Yeah, the crazy side of my family.
Just coming to a country for the first time, and so I'm really happy about this. But for now, take a look at this clip, and then we're gonna come back when I got the news and announce it to my mom. Let's go now. Well, go on, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, guys. Woo! We got some exciting news.
Oh my God! Literally, he's the type of person don't break down, and literally, I just got an email this morning, and I don't even know what I can or can't show on this email, but
don't show it. Just don't show it. Just say it.
Yeah, like I can show. Oh yeah, names.
Yeah,
I can blur out the name, but literally, I just want you to see the first part of this.
Congratulations, your mother's visa was accepted, granted this morning.
I see the news a while ago, and instantly I got emotional. Instantly I got emotional. I'm the type of person don't like to cry, to be honest, but honestly I've been wanting to see my mom for the longest time since I came to Australia. And we've been wanting to go to Jamaica, and I was like, if we can't get to Jamaica, at least I have to see my mom, and did a visitor visa. And literally it was submitted on Monday, and today's Saturday, and got an answer already. I couldn't believe it. So my mom visa is granted for Australia, and honestly I'm just super excited, and I'm about to ring her right now, and I just can't believe it. Honestly, I'm really excited, I'm really happy, like me emotional, honestly.
Truly. Blessings help you flow like the river. That's what I've been singing this morning.
Oh my
Guys,
God.
I'm so happy for you, babe. That's
We
so
got
good.
it before even the time, like they say within 7 days, 26 days we get an answer. This is the 6th day, so this is amazing news. Honestly, I'm about to ring my mom right now, and yeah, just exciting, honestly.
Let's ring her and let her know the news.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say nothing. I'll just gizzy kashate.
Honestly.
Guess who's coming, Island Grandma?
It's coming
Let's
to
see
Australia. Ringing my mom right now.
Mom, my hair's a mess. Everything's a mess.
Oh my God.
Please answer, Mum. You're
Tell
going
her.
to have good news, Mum.
Oh, come on, pick up.
Oh, no,
Why don't you go get my phone?
okay.
I'm in the kitchen.
Just waiting on our people.
Come on. You guys should. Come on, come here.
Oh, she?
Grandma, get to meet
Grandma.
you.
You gonna meet Grandma for the first time.
Grandma.
She's not picking up, but yeah, not picking up, but yeah, she's gonna get this good news very soon. Honestly, we gotta get it on camera. Trust me. Oh my god.
Try again. Try ringing her again.
Check up.
Alan, stop. Be gentle with your sister.
She was on earlier. Oh, she?
Grandma? Grandma, come. Grandma? That's mad. I might have to take off at least a week or two, take her around.
I tell you. Hello, mommy.
Hi, Delsita.
Where they work?
Good evening, yeah, Mr. Lara.
Guess what?
Hey, Grandma Densita.
You'll be coming to Australia, mommy.
Yeah?
Yes, the visa is granted.
Yeah.
Oh, where I say, oh my God.
Mommy, just get the email.
Yeah, Jesus.
Just get the email, mommy. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Literally. Mommy, I best news right now. Me there and me get emotional a while ago. Because me can't believe.
Okay. Oh my God. Why? I wonder if I touched me a while ago because you know say
Is the volume up?
I want church up me and listen to with this man from Africa and they have them 40-day fasting and today the final of them fasting and me say the people them a worship and me and just me feel it till me sit down and I cry a while ago.
Yes,
And
mommy.
me just left and go time go through it on garbage, you know. And me hear the phone a ring and me a come to take it up and me take it off.
Yes, mommy.
Wow.
Yeah, we just get the email, man. Tell her. Say congratulations. Your visa has been granted. And them say 7 days and you actually got it today the 6th from Monday to submit. And not even 7 days yet. And them already granted.
What a blessing, huh?
Well, tell her.
Wow.
We're so excited, mommy. Alright, so
So guys, as you saw the clip, Babe got very emotional.
yeah.
I got very emotional, and we're very, very happy. It was a sort of long process in a sense because we had started this process last year.
Yeah.
And to get all the documents and paperwork and blah blah blah, rare.
Yeah.
It is really it was, you know, it was a head doer.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that my mother-in-law can vouch for that and say, yeah, that's true. It was
Yeah.
a bit of a head doer, running around to get this and that. But anyway, she's finally on her way, guys, as
Yeah.
we speak.
Yes.
Right now, she's on that flight.
Yeah, and the thing is, this video won't be dropped until my mom is in Australia. So by the time you're watching this, that simply means my mom is in Australia. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is exciting. And where is she traveling from, babe?
Okay, so she's flying from Montego Bay to Germany, Germany to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Brisbane.
Yeah.
Originally, we were planning to do to Sydney, but I just thought because we're closer to Brisbane, we don't want to take the 8-hour trip down to Sydney to pick her up. Even though that wouldn't really matter, even if we had to, we would.
Yeah.
It's just that we thought maybe we'll check out Brisbane City first and, you know, let her sightsee around Brisbane first. And then,
True.
you know, we will definitely go to Brisbane, to Sydney, and possibly maybe other places. But right now we're just happy that she's coming here with us.
That's it.
To us. And
Yeah, man.
I'm super happy to have my mother-in-law here with us, and it will be a great experience for her.
Tell her.
I will say though, her checking process wasn't so smooth.
Yeah, I was a bit worried.
It was a little bit of a
Kind of similar like what I went through.
Similar, lots of questions asked. You know, they needed to see
Pictures.
Babe's identification. They needed to see a photo of Babe with his mum, and it was just it was crazy. But we, you know, she persevered, and as Densita mum would say, she's just following protocol.
Definitely.
As she said to us on the phone. So. Anyways, we're super happy to have her here, and I hope you all enjoy what's coming in the next couple of days.
Definitely. And by the way, her link to her channel will be down in the description. If you didn't know, now you know. My mom has her YouTube channel, so I'll leave that link so you all can go and subscribe and follow her journey while she's in Australia, because she will be showing you her experience as well as you'll see, you know, definitely aside from the family channel as well. So you know, but Island, careful.
Be careful. What are you doing?
But it's amazing, honestly. Just, you know, see my mom. I can't wait to see her. Honestly, I'm like nervous, just exciting, just I don't even know how to explain the feeling, but yeah.
I'm excited to see Babe's face. And there is nothing wrong when a man gets emotional. It means that he has emotions. So let's just say that for starters. And I can't wait. I'm hoping, you know, maybe one day in the nearest future, everyone in the family can come and visit us over here. And you know, we would love to go back to Jamaica, but at this stage, because of Babe's passport issues and stuff, we're not even going to attempt that.
I don't even want to mention that story. So
it's just another whole thing, you know. But other than that, you know, at the moment it is what it is, and we're happy to have Mum here with us. Yeah, for
sure. So you all will be following the journey going to the airport. So today is Sunday, and we're picking her up tomorrow at midnight.
Tomorrow night,
so you all will. The video won't end here as yet. So stick
you'll
around.
Get to see us all at the airport picking Mum up and so.
Yeah, man. So. Yeah.
And also I wanted to say big up to my brothers and sisters-in-law for taking Mum on the journey to the airport as well, and probably helping her pack and what she should pack and whatnot. Because, you know, it's Mum's first time ever, guys, ever getting on a flight. So, you know, it is super exciting for all of us, you know, and it's more exciting for Babe, obviously, being his mother. I never seen this before. All I remember is when I was a little girl, my grandmother came to Australia for a visit. Both my grandmothers did, but unfortunately they didn't stay, and so therefore they only came once, and they never came back. So they've passed on now, but it's always so good to see family coming from foreign to visit, you know, the family, and see how naughty Island is, and so Grandma Densita, if he's naughty, you know, smack the bum.
No, don't tell everyone that.
Why?
Because
it's true. If you're naughty, that's what you get.
No, if you say that when Grandma's going to smack my mom, what did you say that then?
So guys, there you go. Anyway, so we're all happy here. And you're gonna see, you know, lots of videos of us with Mum around, and
and I mean, the thing is, I wanted to bring my mom for her 60th birthday, which would have been last year.
Birthday.
You know, unfortunately, I think I cancelled at that time and said, you know, I'll do it at a later date, which is now, and it, you know, she got the approval, you know, so it would have been from November last year if I did proceed with going with the visa at the time. So yeah, everything, as I say, not before the time, so now is the right time. And my mom, and the good thing is that she's coming in autumn and going back before winter, you know what I mean? So it's good for her because she won't experience winter. You know what I mean? So and the thing is that too, even with the cyclone, we were a bit worried because we were saying, like, you know, we buy the ticket, and then all of a sudden cyclone is coming, category 2. The whole Brisbane is shut down, which is where she's gonna fly into.
Yeah.
And we're thinking like maybe even if she get to Brisbane, you know, the roads going to Brisbane would be blocked because of landslide, or you know, so much things we're thinking like could be
badly.
Go wrong.
They finally reopened the airport today.
You know,
so we're happy about that, but we're still getting lots of rain here on our side.
Yeah.
So we're just a little bit worried about our neighbouring suburb Lismore, because
Lismore.
they flooded
They
back in
definitely.
2022. For those that didn't know, it was a very, very devastating moment. The whole town flooded, literally flooded, and this time around, our prayers are with those people in Lismore, because it just wouldn't be good for them to go through it again. Like, it'd just be another devastation, and you know, lots of families lost so much in the 22 floods, and having to have it happen again. I think it would just be, you know, really, just bad.
True that.
So, So I'm hoping that doesn't happen, you know, and also it also puts us in a worry, because then we can't also move to pick up our mother-in-law from from the airport, but you know, what's the word?
What are you saying?
There is a will. Where there is a way, there is a will, and with God's help, it all can be done.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, guys.
Yeah.
We're happy! Yay! Dalcita's coming to Australia!
Yeah. You know what I mean? Big up to, as what you were saying, like even, you know, my brothers and all that were there. They took her to the airport. You know, big up O'Neill, Kim, Shervin. You know.
Yeah, big you up, guys.
Everybody. You know what I mean?
And don't forget, they also have a channel too. So go and check them out.
Yeah, man.
And go and see what they're up to and what they're all about.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, man. And big up Swicked. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Swicked wasn't
brother
there,
Swicked.
but you know, big up Swicked, my bro, same way.
Yeah.
And Team Jim, everybody. You know what I mean? It's like what you call it? They have this thing we call Christmas greetings that happens in Jamaica or whatever. It's not a Christmas greetings, but big up all of my family there. Big up everybody there back home. Big up the man who I sell down at roadside there. So big up the jerk man who have a stall there. So you know what I mean?
Oh God.
Oh boy. We just feel good, you know?
Yeah, it's a good feeling. It really is.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, man.
So
tomorrow we eating the road. Brisbane is like a 3 hour.
3 hours.
3 hour drive from here. So
3 hours is better than 8 hours. That's for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna stay there the night, and yeah, because she's gonna be jet lagged for sure. You know, long, like 2 days travel, pretty much.
Yep.
Yeah. So
2 days travel. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Yeah.
You will get to see everything happening here on the Island family, and watch it all unfold when Babe finally meets Mum again, and also the kids as well.
yeah, reunite, you know?
Yeah. All right, guys. So big up yourselves if you stayed and watched this far.
Stay tuned.
And stay tuned. Yeah.
Don't go anywhere.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Take care now.
And peace.
We on a roll now.
Let's go now.
And peace.
So this is what we're going to take to terminal to?
I'm at the airport, guys, in Germany.
Terminal 2.
My mom trying to figure out her way. She's at Terminal 2 now. She's so nerve-wracking. On the phone with my mom right now, and yeah, it's been crazy. I wish I didn't have to put her through this.
I wish one of us had have gone with her, to pick her up, but anyway.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
For real, but she's here. Still have an hour to get to board her flight.
It's your way.
So stressful, guys, I swear.
Yeah. Ready to go to Hong Kong now.
And then the final leg will be Australia.
Yeah. Big time traveler now.
When she goes back, it will be a breeze.
I tell you, man.
having some bad weather at the moment.
Yeah.
And then tell me. So that was the only time we feel the plane starts away.
Yeah.
Over away. Yeah, but other than that, it's just smooth sailing. You not even feel like you're playing a move.
Yeah, plane ride nice. So what about when the plane did that take off? That belly feeling there?
When it takes off, it never feel long. It's just one little feelings when you go.
Yeah.
Never so terrible. Yeah.
Okay. So you get to see Germany like when you land? How that look? Yeah, you get to look out through the window when the plane land?
Germany.
You get to see like parts of Germany?
Yeah, we take some picture there so when it run.
Yeah.
When it run. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Only for time, you know, you didn't say anything yet still. But then also I live how much we did say at the municipality. Sorry.
Once they are the
25 now.
once they are the gate still everybody should
You'll see people start walking, boarding there.
Yeah.
The number, but
This thing in the air, it's good.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
Yes, man, we're there.
We're there, and this is Tyrone. They are too. This is Babe. I bought this and put it in my car to remind me of Babe. It looks like Babe, don't you reckon? Yes, it does. It looks like Babe. Except Babe doesn't play basketball. This guy, I don't know who he is. He plays basketball.
Yeah.
Do you know who he is?
I have no idea.
Doesn't matter, but it looks like Babe anyway.
Yeah.
Anyways, me and Island chose it one day.
Yeah, man.
So guys, where are we going, babes?
We're heading to Brisbane right about now, so we're gonna go pick up my mom from the airport. We actually book a Airbnb out there, so we're gonna be dropping off first.
No, we didn't book an Airbnb. We're going to our Airbnb.
Ah, true. The one that we own.
The one that we own.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Nah, jokes. Yeah, we're going to an Airbnb.
Yeah. And we're gonna drop off her stuff because she's coming almost close to midnight, you know, so we're gonna get something to eat and get something for her as well. And yeah.
Yeah, one moment, Island.
Right now it's after 5, so we have plenty of time. You know, so
Yeah, so as you can see, we've been
that's how high the river is.
Yeah, I told you. Sorry guys, we're looking at the river as we're driving.
The
'cause
flood.
it's the flood. Well, almost the flood.
Yeah.
Look, yeah, we were so tired. Did you buy your water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Babe just finished work and I've been so busy today getting things prepared, as you know. My mother-in-law's coming, so you know things have to be in order or prepped.
Yeah.
All prepped
Get
up.
her room ready. And
Get her room ready. That was what I was doing, and you know, so that's what was happening. So yes, guys, I know I should have been drinking Red Bull, but it's giving me energy right now. Give me the extra energy that I need. What's a Red Bull? What's up? Energy. It's gonna taste fresh on your chewing gum. This has been chewing gum. Yeah. We don't drink Red Bull every day, but when we feel like we need to pick ourselves up a bit, we'll drink Red Bull.
This is not for you, Island.
This isn't for you, darling. Water. There's water. Oh, chewing gum. Oh, yeah. Okay, you can have a bit of gum. That's all right. Yeah, guys. So we're excited to see Mum,
Yes, man.
and it's gonna be good to have her around, and you know,
She's on her flight right now from Hong Kong to Australia. So I tell her, man, dream come true, you know?
For real.
Dream do come true.
For real. But wait, before that's yucky. My hands are all sticky now. Wait, I'll show you guys where she is now because we can track the flight. I don't know if anyone knew that, but you can track people's flights. It's crazy, isn't it?
So much water, yo. If only you guys could see right now.
I might film it on the other GoPro. Is that working?
Yeah.
Flight tracker. Let's have a look, guys. Let's see what I got on here. great that this technology has come out because, you know, as we know, planes have been, you know, getting into accidents lately, and also they go missing in thin air. So it's always good to just check your family members and your loved ones, you know, and make sure that they're okay. Well, yeah. Actually, Mum was saying too that it was really cold on the plane as well.
Yeah.
She said the plane from Montego Bay to Germany was good.
Yeah.
But then the Germany to Hong Kong was a little bit chilly. She said you could see everyone wrapped up in their blankets and stuff. And then she noticed as soon as they got off in Hong Kong,
Yeah.
that it was people were like getting up and putting their big jackets on.
Yeah.
And she's saying she hopes that the ride to Brisbane isn't cold. You didn't see that dead kangaroo on the side of the road, did you? But you okay?
Yeah, I almost.
Jeez. Yeah, looking forward to seeing Sita Anderson.
This one.
My family is excited too.
Yeah.
My mum can't wait to meet your mum in Sydney. Mum was supposed to come up, guys, my mum, to meet Sita this time around, but problem is the floods, the rain.
Flight cancelled for her as well.
Her flight cancelled from Sydney out this one, so. But yeah, but we're gonna go to Sydney, and you know that Sita can, you know, meet my mum, but also meet the city of Sydney.
Yeah.
Oh, it's massive.
Yeah. What a rain. Yeah, what if a rain we get, you know? Come on.
I like when you said that. A whole heap of rain we get, you know. A whole heap of rain we get.
Oh, this is where they keep the caravans.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they put all the caravans at up on a hill, like a safe place from the floods. Oh, these are the ones that are in Lismore, right? I would
Yeah.
assume. Oh, that's crazy. They load up all the caravan up on this hill to avoid flooding. Look at that, man.
Anyways, I'm gonna do this hotspot thing for a little boy fella at the back here because he gets cranky if
I don't have internet.
for all the mothers out there that know.
I don't have internet.
Back in the days there was no such thing. Now kids are just too technology bound. H2O is the way to go, guys.
Shoot, man, look there. What a high, you know? If that was to ever overflow, man, I'm telling you. Some house get flooded. So a lot of water over there.
And they really over exaggerated though with this
Yeah.
this flood, though they did. I'm not gonna lie. Hi, welcome to Channel 9 News.
Over there.
Wow, it's like up to the pole. It's like a bloody pool. You can go swim there. Literally. Look at his face. He's happy. Mum's coming.
Where did they shift this plane?
This is where the armies was staying, babe.
Oh, okay.
You see the army trucks there?
Yeah.
That's where the army trucks stay. Look, guys, look at the army trucks there. Tankers, big tankers. Crazy, huh?
What high up here?
Yep. Really high.
Dude, look at even the park. People, this is a bridge that you never see the water like this high. Oh my God, that's the whole park that we used to come and hang out. Literally underwater.
It's all underwater. Hey guys, so we're sort of just here in traffic just leaving Lismore because the road we generally take to go to Brisbane is blocked off, maybe because there's water over the road, so it's not safe to drive through. So we come through here and it's so busy. We've been in traffic for the last half an hour. Half an hour, eh, babe?
Literally, man.
Yeah.
Just hope that the road is not blocked going there. Makes me a bit worried. Hopefully it's clear, go straight to Brisbane. Because, yeah, can't have my mom out there stuck and we all the way here, so.
I'm going to have a look on Google Maps now anyway. If there is any road closures.
Literally creeping.
Any road closures today. Live traffic New South Wales, that's where you go. Anyways guys, we just pulled up. The reason why the traffic is so slow is because there is a car accident up the road here, or there was a car accident. So it seems like they've cleared the way now. Wow, I love the soldiers. They look so like, I don't know, soldiering. The soldiers look like they're soldiering.
See all the glasses on the road. This must be where the car
accident was. Wow. Babe, do you want to be a soldier? You'd look good as a soldier.
No, I can't deal with that PTSD, whatever it's called, all of that. Waking up feeling like I'm still in war and them something. I can't deal with that something.
Oh, post-traumatic stress.
Yeah, and being away from my family all long and them things. I can't bother with that.
Oh, you'd look good in a soldier uniform though. All the ladies online can vouch for me on that one. Oh gosh. So now we broke free. We have broken free from the trouble.
Finally. Let's go.
Oh, we've got another army truck down here. Oh, look, they're just chilling inside.
These soldiers were sent.
Wow, look at them.
Young boys too. A lot of them.
Yeah, did you say them? The tankers?
So they were sent to Lismore to help out with the flooding.
Aftermath. I thought it was, an accident. Something before we go. Tired, guys.
Yeah, it's late.
It's not normal for me and Babe to be up at this time, to be honest.
True.
We're generally in bed 9:30.
True. But
10 o'clock the latest, but it's past 10.
yeah.
And I'm feeling it.
Yeah, so we go to the airport now. And it was a smart idea to book somewhere. So
Yeah, definitely.
otherwise we'd have to drive back 3 hours. And that wouldn't be good for us. Not safe.
Wouldn't be good for Mum either.
Yeah. For none of us really. So
Because she'd be so jet lagged, guys.
true. So
She would be.
tomorrow we drive home.
She'd be so jet lagged. So we're tired, but I bet you she'd be 10 times
Worse.
tired than us.
She's like,
Literally.
she doesn't want to lay on my shoulder. She's like, she's trying to stay up.
Hi. Go pick up Grandma. Actually, you know what? It is hot. It's warm. Maybe. Hopefully she's not. So grandma is up there, CX157.
Yeah, Hong Kong. So that's 10:40.
Yeah, do you want to go sit down?
Yeah.
Go sit down. Yeah.
Come back early.
Come on, Dancita, come on, Dancita, we're waiting. Mr. Sleepyhead here. And so am I, don't worry. We're tired. Hey, Bobo, Grandma's coming. Are you happy Grandma's coming? Grandma's coming. Ocean, Ocean, Grandma's coming. Ocean, Grandma's coming. Ocean, Grandma, where's Grandma, Mama?
Okay.
You'll probably be able to see her coming through, maybe. If it's bloody here. Hopefully Jamaica didn't stuff that one up for her, because I was supposed to tag it all the way through to Australia. Let's see. I'm just, yeah, not having a go at the Jamaicans, but at the end of the day, they ask very unnecessary questions, don't they? You know, if you've got your visa, you've got everything together, why ask for a photo and identification of the person that's going to be waiting for you at the other end of the you know, of the scale or of the country? Mum might be able to get something here, babe. Yeah, it's open. People are drinking coffee. Guys, we thought we were going to be here really late, and we were like freaking out. Like literally, we were freaking out, and we're like, oh my god, we're going to be here late. And because we went to go get Mum some food, but anyways, we ended up rocking up at the wrong place to get the food we ordered online. So we're here now, and hopefully, you know, I'm just checking to make sure she's not like looking around for us, and we're looking around for her. So let's just. Babe, I'm just gonna go buy some chewing gum. You want some chewing gum? Yeah, here. Oh, the pilot's coming out. We're still waiting, guys.
She's not here as yet.
She's coming. Be patient, babes.
I am. Ocean can't wait. Look at her. Look at her. We are waiting for Delsita. You didn't put that in your mouth.
Right?
Oh, I thought he picked it up from the floor.
Look at my mouth. I have nothing in it. I told you.
Very good.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, son. On your best behavior, because Grandma's here. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, Mom. The plane is going to be so scary. It's going to have spider legs when the cat was going on the plane and on YouTube, and there's so many spider legs when the wind took the spider legs into the back of the sign, so the aeroplane has a big mouth.
Mama sleepy. Mama sleepy. Yeah, true, Island. You're very right, son.
Yes.
There could be spiders. Like the one Dad caught yesterday.
They're like a big one.
Mama sleepy.
There's a big one. An aeroplane spider. It's
How you feeling, babe? You feeling good?
Obviously.
Oh, you're supposed to be wide awake like Koshi.
See my mom, guys.
She's coming. There she is.
Mommy.
Sita. She's walking the other way.
She doesn't have her luggage, eh?
No, must have been a problem.
Mommy.
Oh, doesn't look good. There's Sita. Look at you looking good. Really? No. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good to see you. Oh, you look so good. No, your luggage. So what's happening now with your luggage? Welcome to Australia. Welcome to Brisbane.
Thank you.
She's finally here, guys.
Yes.
Don't forget, guys, to go check out Delsita's books too on YouTube. And I'm sure she's going to show you lots and lots about Australia as well, yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's take some photos here. Yeah? Mummy's here, yes. Island, go with Grandma. Okay. You ready? Yeah, beautiful. You want to go? You go. All right. Cheers! Yay! Let's go. No, it's all right. Oh, it's okay. They're waiting. These people are waiting to take a photo of us. I'm asking. Excuse me. Can you take a photo of us? Yeah.
They love you them coming around and I'm not seeing them. So I reported to somebody and the gentleman sent me over by the next session. So the gentleman
Finally, my mother there.
searching.
We're in the city, mommy.
Yeah.
City of Brisbane.
Okay. Yeah.
Tomorrow you get to see it more.
Yeah.
You get some rest tonight.
Yes.
Mom, your big tummy.
Mommy is finally here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Grandma's lucky.
Happy boy. It's BA Marks. Grandma, you coming? Yeah. Grandma from Jamaica.
Yeah. He thought we were getting on the plane.
Yeah.
Like, no, we're not getting on the plane. Hi, then.
No
You close the
touch.
door on Grandma. Cheeky boy.
I didn't. I pressed 7.
You didn't? Okay.
Here we are.
Here we are, everybody.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some sleep, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And pool down there as well. Can go swim down there. You scared? You know, I go too close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like my legs go
It's, yeah, especially when you know it's just glass there, right there.
The island, be careful, please don't, because you
Yeah.
don't know how
Exactly.
how strong it is. Don't hang on, please.
And
Welcome back to the island family.
yes, man.
It's your girl Maria,
The island boy, baby
Africa,
Ocean,
and Ocean, and Islands in the lounge room.
and Grandma is here.
It's here, guys.
Yes, man.
So-
So it's a new day, and we're about to check out of our Airbnb and hit the road. We're gonna stop at a market and grab a few things and get some breakfast and all that. So that is the plan for today, you know what I mean, and then head home and relax, because we're only running on a few hours sleep, to be honest. So we are going to do all of that and stay tuned.
Yep.
Let's go now.
Let's go.
We're on the road.
Let's go now.
Mommy dear? Ready, mommy?
Yeah?
How many?
How many hours sleep?
Oh,
Not many, I bet.
not
Yeah.
many, not many.
For real.
But yes, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are going to head out, you know.
Yeah.
Island?
Yeah.
What you have to say?
No, let's
Say hi.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. So this is the Airbnb. We're about to leave.
Every time I look outside, I get scared.
Yeah.
It's just so high.
Yeah.
We're the highest in the building.
True.
How much today?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, guys, we're really high at the moment. It's hectic, so look at that. We could have gone to the swimming pool in the gym, but guess what? I'm not going to do that today. I'm tired. Look at the city, guys. Isn't it beautiful? The high-rise buildings and things. Absolutely. Wow. Look at that. Going through. Just zooming in for you all. Look at that. This can really zoom in. It's Brisbane City, guys. Brisbane City, South Bank to be exact. And that's us. So let's go now.
We're on the road now. Let's go now.
Peace.
Going to get something to eat, guys. So they put like fruit and stuff in it. It's coconut, and they put like fruit and thing in it. Strawberry. Yeah. Look, them have here. Durian, coconut pudding, jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit. Mango coconut pudding. That's crazy. Good. You want donuts, don't you? That's what you want? What kind of donut? Come over this way. They've got plenty of donuts. Heaps to choose from. Wow. What kind of donuts do you want, Island? They got chocolate. They got every kind of donut you could think of.
But I only want nothing on top of the donut.
Yeah, coconut. Yeah. So guys, Mummy's trying kebab for the first time and she likes it, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? How much out of 10?
I'd say 8, 9.
8, 9. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, excellent.
I'm going to say my kebab 1,000.
1,000? Okay, very good. And what about you? Huh?
Take a look at that right here in the food court. That one's cold. They're all cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Here we are again, back at Inala. Most of you have seen we've been here before, but
This time we bring Mum.
yeah, we are gonna grab some things.
Look, I see green banana already, green plantain.
Grab some things before we reach home.
Should go down there.
Yeah. We're back here again. It's not as busy like the last time, but you know, maybe it's because of the cyclone that happened recent. Dasheen. How much for it? Oh, good. You can grab some.
You know which.
Take a look at this for people. That's sorry right there, and otherwise it's Rosella. And that's the tree they're selling. As I was saying, like they actually cook these.
They cook it.
Yeah. And we in Jamaica eat the fruits of the sorrel. I mean, make juice and all these things with it. But they actually eat the leaves. Get some plantain people. They have two different type here. This one and I have this one. I like these more.
Yeah, they're nicer.
Yeah.
They look alright. No, spoiled. Look, spoiled.
I think so. Or maybe for plant.
Hey, is this yam?
I think so.
It's yam beans. Look.
Oh, yam beans. I guess that's a different type.
Oh, look, fresh coconut there.
Yeah, they have different types of yams in Jamaica, but I'm not familiar with this style.
This is like, okay, the red color.
Oh yeah, the red colour look.
Yeah.
It's not the exact one. But all the grapes.
Yeah, okay, I'm just checking to see they're good. Alright, bye.
Your hands are so full right now, literally.
Alright, we get this one.
Look at the flood water, my people. Both sides. That's literally a road over there, and you can see.
Yeah, flooding, you know. Flooding from this side.